How's it going, everyone? It's Sheena Lynn here with Zappos.com, and you can feel like the cat's meow with the penny Zappos Exclusive from Chinese Laundry. You guys, you are gonna slay the day looking so fierce in this sandal. It has an upper that's made of synthetic materials, and I love how it boasted with that leopard print throughout. Seriously, so gorgeous. I love this design too. Seriously, if you guys didn't know, leopard print is one of my favorite colors. You have this fun strappy design throughout with an open toe silhouette. I also like how you have this adjustable buckle here so you can get that more personalized fit. In the back, there's a zipper so you can slip into these hella easily. And you have a leather lining, which is going to be really great for breathability. You also have this leather insole with some padding in here. There's this teeny tiny micro heel, and also it's super flexible. And you got this durable outsole that's going to help keep you steady. Feel exclusive with this pair from Chinese Laundry.